Welcome to our channel. Today, we have something special for all the pet owners out there. We found the Andis 561116 Dr. Pole Easy Clip Ultra Adjustable Blade Clipper Kit, and we've added the link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. This clipper kit is designed for those who want to take grooming into their own hands, especially for single-coated dogs with thin to medium coats. It's an excellent choice for DIY grooming, helping you keep your furry friends clean and confident right at home. One of the standout features of this clipper kit is its quiet and comfortable rotary motor. This design is specifically made to ensure that your pets remain calm and relaxed during grooming sessions. Many pets can get anxious with loud noises, so this feature is a great plus for both you and your dog. Another significant highlight is the adjustable blade system. With this, you can customize your grooming experience to achieve flawless, professional results. The kit also includes a size 4 attachment comb, which allows for versatile grooming styles, ensuring that you can handle everything from quick touch-ups to full grooming sessions with ease. Comfort is key when it comes to grooming, and the ergonomic design of this clipper makes it easy to handle. It fits snugly in your hand, allowing for precision and control as you work through your pet's coat. This is especially important when you're trying to navigate around sensitive areas, ensuring that the grooming process is as comfortable as possible for your pet. The Andis 561116 kit is not just a clipper, it's a complete grooming package. It includes a blade guard, blade oil, blade brush, and a steel comb, all neatly packed into a soft shell storage case. This ensures that you have everything you need to maintain not only the clipper but also your pet's coat, making it a convenient option for any pet owner. This clipper kit is perfect for dog owners who want to save on grooming costs or simply prefer to do it themselves. It's suitable for pet owners with single-coated dogs, and it's ideal for both novice groomers and those with a bit more experience. Whether you're looking to do a quick touch-up between professional groomings or want to take care of your pet's grooming needs regularly, this kit has you covered. In practical terms, you can use the Andis clipper kit for routine maintenance or special occasions like shows. It's versatile enough for different grooming styles, whether you're looking to give your dog a summer cut or just tidy up around the paws and ears. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.